Hey guys, welcome back. I'm EDC Gunner and I brought my channel back in the game. So once again, I'm EDC Gunner. This is my EDC update, hence the EDC, and a Gunner because I'm a gunner. I like Arsenal. I don't mind guns as well. But yeah, this is my EDC. I do this EDCs pretty much on a regular basis. Wait, do we need a light? Should I put some light here? Yeah, this is better. Anyways, this is my EDC for January 2025. Yeah, it's a new year and new setup. There's some big changes going on here in my life. I'm not sure I'm ready to talk about it, but yeah, I can EDC more. No more Germany for me. I'm not going back to Germany. And I'm pretty sure I'm not going back to Slovenia as well. I'm returning home, back to my homeland, and I'm gonna spend some time with my family. And this is one part of that EDC. Here I decided to go a little bit black, a little bit brown. I got a cool gloves, leather gloves. These are pigskin gloves. It's snowy here. There's a lot of snow, so I definitely need gloves to clean my car and whatnot. This is like inverted leather, but I like them. I like leather stuff. I like gloves, and I'm trying to coordinate. So black, brown, and with my gloves, I think here the same color would be my band on my watch. See, check it out here, guys. So this is my Brigade Type 21, and yeah, I had enough of those wearing G-Shocks for the past 2 years. I've been wearing on and off most of the time G-Shocks, so I'm returning home and returning to wearing more nicer watches. I still love G-Shocks, but just that fucker needs to rest. So yeah, nice combo here. I think it works. I think I have a photo somewhere. I will put it how it works out in the wild. What else? I have my sunnies. These are Ray-Ban with the blue tint. I think they look cool. This is reversed, or these are the new model. Yeah. Wayfarer reverse. It says Wayfarer reverse. But they have a weird inverted glasses, but I like the blue. Kind of looks cool. So yeah, this is mine. Been wearing Perso for so long that I forgot I love Ray-Bans. This is my Pelican fountain pen. I have a nicer Pelican fountain pen, but this is for EDC, and I'm EDCing a fountain pen. This is a cheap plastic fountain pen, but it's a good brand. It's Pelican, and I bought this when I was in Germany, and I love fountain pens. The same reason I like switchblade knives. I like manual wound watches, mechanical watches, automatic watches. I like fountain pens, and it's a bit classier and it improves your writing. Usually I will have with me some sort of a ballpoint pen, but I learned that I can borrow a ballpoint pen if I need to write something down in the post office in the mail room, because you need to press it, but most of the time I have just a simple black fountain pen. And speaking of black, I decided I'm gonna pull out my Benchmade. Yeah, check this boy out. This is not the best looking knife in my collection, and I was thinking about doing knife collection. However, I gifted so many knives that it doesn't really make sense to do a collection, because ever since the last update it's pretty much the same. So yeah, the best this to a former work colleague of mine. This is just awesome. I love Benchmade, this Cryptilian, and it's good quality, feels right in the hand. Everything is awesome with this one, but yeah, I'm a fanboy of a Spyderco, and my long-term grail is to get a Sebenza, Crucial Sebenza. And back in the day, I told myself this is the XX lock, awesome knife. I told myself back in the days, maybe 5 years ago or what, I'm not buying any more knives because I want to get a Sebenza. And I would buy Sebenza if I have an opportunity to just go into the store and have that retail store experience, and just walk into the store, buy it, and walk out with it. I would buy it in a heartbeat. However, if I need to order it online and it's gonna have to travel all the way across the ocean here to Europe and whatnot, then I'm gonna have to pay import duties, and it's not cheap. Import duties will cost a lot. Then I'm really not buying it. But I had some really cool knives. I had the CRKT Montosa. That was a really cool knife. I give that to my friend. I also gift him on a separate occasion Civivi. I kind of feel sorry for Civivi. I miss the Civivi with the copper, with the brass blades, with the brass handles. Sorry, I give that away. Yeah, but it went to a good hands. He will take care of it, and he needed an upgrade. So yeah, I had the Ruike knife that I give to my colleague as well, another colleague, and yeah, I have a Boker, actually new Boker knife, but I will talk that to you in a separate video. It's automatic, so it's not really for EDC, but I'm gonna EDC it. I have a Phoenix E12, just awesome AA flashlight. I used this in Munich, in Germany, last winter a lot. It really helped me navigate, and I also bought, speaking of Munich, when I was there, I bought this little guy. This is more for summer. This is E01, and this is a AAA. It's perfectly pocket friendly. When I want to have something, when I have a tighter pockets or whatnot, don't have a lot of pocket space going somewhere fancy, then we'll have this one, and this Swiss Army knife, and yeah, this is my like a mini EDC, and I'm gonna leave the big boys at home, because sometimes you need to leave the big boys at home. I upgraded the phone to iPhone 16, so yeah, that's the phone. That's not something that you care that much for. I have a camo lighter, got this from a fat man, and if anyone out there watching this who knows who Fat Man is, please, I haven't heard from him in a while, and I haven't seen him on Instagram to be active. He said just left a puzzling goodbye note, and see you guys, and that's it. No, nothing else. So, or Fat Man, if you're watching me, please give me a shout. Just wanna check up on you if you're okay. And yeah, I have a wallet. This is my Hall of Famer wallet. It's just molded. I like leather stuff here. This pocket is very useful for just a quick something toss in. Two-fold wallet, just traditional wallet. Here I have a bunch of cards. I like card holders, but I like having a little bit of cash in my wallet. And when I say a little bit, I mean it cannot fit into the card holders, but for summer I have card holder. I actually bought a really cool card holder, so I can't wait summer to show you that, guys. So that's it. That was my EDC, somewhat of a minimalist, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and do write me what do you have in your EDC.